are about to get into episode 5 of the build, and today we're going to be doing a little leading, guys, on that quarter panel. I tell you what, it's a lot of work to get this project going, guys, with this quarter panel. This is like only my second time doing it, but I think I'm getting a little better, guys. And also, guys, if you are new to the channel, you're watching Classic Chevy with CJ, and this is what we're doing ourselves, and we have fun doing it, guys. All right. So, hey, guys, if you guys watched my video I just dropped Thursday with the remote start, as you know, I'm be doing a giveaway. So, for you guys to be eligible for the giveaway, the only thing you have to do, guys, is make sure you go to my Instagram, sign up for my Instagram, guys, and also subscribe to this channel. Very simple to enter in a little t-shirt giveaway, guys. We're trying to reach that 200 subs, guys, so I'm trying to, make it a little fun, make it a little interesting for you guys. So just go ahead and do those two things, and that way you'll be eligible, guys, and I know we're hitting that 200 before long. So, hey, let's go ahead and get into this video, guys, episode 5, and I hope you guys enjoy it. These are the materials that I will be using to solder. First, I have my paste here. I have a copper steel wool. People use different methods of putting the paste on. As you can see there, I got my paddle that I will use. And right above the paste, I have my lead-free rods. And you will basically also need some warm water with baking soda to neutralize the lead after you get it clean. And that's all you need to get started. So here we go. One thing I did forget to tell you guys is that you would need a torch. Portable torch, or whatever. You can get these from Lowe's or Home Depot, any of your big box stores. First, you do need to heat up the paddle to get that butter so it'll be kind of slick. I also use a pair of denim jeans just to wipe my paddle clean. And you don't want to, basically don't want to burn your paddle, and that butter actually keeps it from burning. So first, you see, we have to heat up the panel because we got to get it pretty warm. That way the tinning will stick to the clean metal surface. And it's sticking whenever it turns a real shiny silver, and then you need to go back and wipe it off to get it clean. And here's a copper steel wool that I was telling you about. That's what you wiping the tinning butter with to get it really clean, and you'll see it turn that color. Some people use a rag, but I noticed that I've used rags before and they tend to leave behind debris. I kind of sped up the process with this video because it's a long, tedious process, and you're basically repeating yourself over and over until you get that metal clean. It's also a pretty messy job, as you can see, but if it's not tinned or whatever, that the debris, it just wipes right off with a wet rag. Here you see I'm blowing it with my air compressor just to clean it really good. Alright guys, I tell you what, there's a lot to go into it when you're doing working on these old trucks, you know. With that soldering, so far it's working out pretty good. You know, I do not do a whole lot of soldering and stuff, but the more you do it, the better you get at it. When I first started doing soldering, man, I really sucked at it. But as long as you get that metal clean, as you see with me prepping it, I got that metal real clean and shiny. And so now we're about to, you know, go ahead and put that butter on it to tan it. And after we tan it, we're gonna add that lead-free solder. And that's what I normally use, is lead-free. They do have that solder, and it's supposed to be it contaminates the air in your lungs. So I just try to stay away from that. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of lead on this weld, and let's see how it turns out. So now you guys see that I'm using a lead-free solder. I'm actually starting to put it in the seam there of my weld. And you constantly gotta heat that panel, because if it's not heated properly, it will not stick. And then I just take the paddle behind me and I just smooth out the humps on it and try to get it as smooth as possible. And once you get into a rhythm, it gets a lot faster. And as you see, I'm molding the edges there. And you will basically do this all the way through that panel, go back and forth until you get it as smooth as possible as you want to. And of course, you're going to have to do some sanding on it to get it very smooth. So that's basically the process. So guys, this is the finished product there. It's a little rough, but you can use a file to sand it. I just use my grinder and I grind it as smooth as I can get it, and then I just do my body work over it. And that's it. That's basically your finished product there. Turned out pretty good. We have came to the end of episode 5, working on that quarter pounder with the soldering, with the lead-free solder. And hey, I think it turned out very good, especially after I went back through and sanded it down. And so now I'll be doing the body work on it next. And episode 6, that's what we're going to get into. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will catch you guys on episode 6. And if you got a good cigar and a fast truck or car, smoke them if you got them, baby.